Let's consider an ordered triple in three-dimensional space, and we'll introduce the idea of spherical coordinates to represent this point. In spherical coordinates, we'll start at the origin and consider the line segment that goes from the origin straight out to the point. The length of this line segment is considered to be rho, and the value of rho will always be a positive number. We'll also consider a positive angle that's measured down from the positive z-axis, and this angle is going to be considered phi. The angle phi will always be greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to pi. So at its maximum, it would be coming all the way down here to the negative z-axis. Now the third coordinate that we're going to consider is the coordinate theta, which is going to go from 0 to 2 pi. And this value of theta is the same theta that we've seen in cylindrical coordinates. So if we drop a perpendicular down to the xy plane, the line segment that goes from that projection point to the origin is considered to be r, and theta is the angle measured from the positive x-axis back to that line segment. So this is our angle theta in here. Now in order to get our conversion formulas, let's think about the x and y values in rectangular form, and let's recall that x is equal to r times the cosine of theta, and y is equal to r times the sine of theta. Our ordered pair P in spherical coordinates is going to be represented by rho, phi, and theta, and since theta is part of the spherical coordinates, we can leave these thetas in the conversion formula. We just need to come up with a substitution for r because we do not have r's in spherical coordinates. R is considered to be a cylindrical coordinate. So to find the substitution for r, let's make note of the fact that this is a right triangle here. And by the alternate interior angle theorem, we can see that this angle in here must also be phi. Now the trig function that relates phi to r and rho is the sine function. So we'll say sine of phi is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And if we solve for r, we get rho times the sine of phi. So now we'll substitute this in for our r values to get the conversion formulas that are going to take us from rectangular into spherical coordinates. X is equal to rho sine phi times the cosine of theta. Y is equal to rho sine phi times the sine of theta. But we still need a conversion formula for z. Let's come back up here to our drawing to recognize that z is this vertical distance, which is the side adjacent to phi, and the trig function that relates phi to z and rho is cosine. We see that cosine phi is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And if we multiply both sides by rho in order to solve for z, we'll get that z is equal to rho times the cosine of phi. And these are the formulas that we're going to use to convert an ordered triple from rectangular into spherical coordinates.